Hey dude, what's up, man? Look at this. Me and my friend Huckster here. Right here. He's standing right beside me. This one. Oh. Damn friend. Okay, yeah, me and my friend Huckster started this Running Man line and look how far it got. Awesome, right? And today is May. Be right back. May 13, 2009. And some motherfuckers messed up. Yeah, me and my friend Huckster one here made this Running Man line. I don't know what the people here. It's totally awesome. So yeah, just came to show you and tell you to come if you see this video right now. And yeah, see you. Hold on. Making. Yeah, hold on, just one more time. Yeah, no salsa already done. Look at all these people here in Madison Square Garden. Here's Huckster 1. And there's me with the Mohawk. We are the ones who started this Running Man line. Well, look how much people have showed up to our Running Man line. I'll be back. Oh sweet, look at this. Time to start dancing. Oons, oons, oons. Yeah, okay man, subscribe and see you guys later. Peace.